In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your PDF on Adobe Acrobat Reader in two-page view, also known as book view. This tutorial is perfect for those who frequently read ebooks or need to view documents in a format that mimics an open book, making your work not only more pleasant but also more practical. First, let's begin by opening your PDF with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer, I recommend downloading it from Adobe's official website and installing it following their straightforward instructions. Once it's installed, you can easily open your document by either double-clicking on the PDF file, which should open it directly in Adobe, or by launching Adobe Reader and selecting the file from the File menu. When your document is open, let's move on to enhancing your reading experience by switching to the two-page view. Now go ahead and look at the top left corner of the Adobe Reader window. You'll notice a little icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list of options that will help customize your view and Adobe Reader settings. The hamburger menu is quite handy as it hosts major features and tools you'll frequently use, so it's good to get familiar with it if you're planning on using Adobe Reader regularly. Once you've clicked the hamburger menu, you need to navigate to the option labeled View. Hover over View and you'll see another set of options. Move your cursor down to Page Display, which will present even more specific choices tailored to adjusting how your pages appear in Adobe Reader. It's always a good idea to explore these options now and then because you might discover additional views that suit different needs, from single page displays to enabling scrolling. From the Page Display submenu, select Two-Page View. This selection will organize your PDF pages side by side, similar to a book or magazine spread. It's useful to note that this view helps provide a more holistic perspective of your document, especially if your PDF is designed in spreads or if you wish to compare pages quickly. So there you have it, your PDF should now be comfortably set up in the two-page view. This setting is great for reading longer texts, reviewing documents, or when you'd prefer a more natural reading format. If you'd like to revert back to the single page layout, you can easily go back through the same menu choices and select single page view. Getting familiar with these features will make your Adobe Acrobat experience much more enjoyable and efficient. I hope this guide makes your PDF reading experience more enjoyable and organized. Thanks for watching and see you next time.